here. That means we are going to prepare furniture account. So I write DR debit and CR credit. Furniture account. So furniture is on the debit side. Furniture is on the debit side. I'll take 2000 in the furniture account debit side amount. This is debit, this is credit. So I'm taking on the debit side. And the date will be February 5th. And now we should record particulars. So particulars will be whatever is opposite to furniture. Opposite to furniture is to cash. Opposite to furniture is to cash. We'll take to cash. And after that, you should check other journal entries. Any furniture is there. Here, no. So we will balance this furniture account. So here, this is the greater side. Nothing is there on the credit side. So we will put 2000 over here. And this is the lesser side. So in the lesser side, what you should do, you should take balance carry down on month ending date. So month ending date is February month. You will have 28 as the last date. So what you should take balance carry down. Because this is credit side, I am writing by balance carry down. I am writing by balance carry down. And the same amount will be transferred to credit side also, because on the credit side nothing is there. On the credit side nothing was there, so we have taken the same amount to credit side. And this carried down, again it will be transferred to next month as opening balance. So it will be taken on greater side. Greater side, what you should take? You should take balance brought down. On which day you should take? You should take next month starting date. That means we will take on March 1st. As per English calendar year, after February month, the next month will be March. So two balance brought down. We will take 2000. So after furniture, if you see from the first journal entry, there is a tick mark to the cash, you have completed. Capital tick mark is there, completed. Bank tick mark is there, completed. Cash tick mark is there, completed. As well, furniture is completed, cash is completed. So in February 7th, you have without the no tick purchase is there. So we will prepare purchases account. So where purchase is there in the journal entry, purchase is located on debit side. So I am putting tick mark over there on the purchases. So this is the debit, this is the credit. So I am taking 5000 on the debit side. Date 7. February 7. And it will be particulars we should write now, and we are preparing purchase account. So to purchase account, whatever is opposite, that should be taken as particulars. So I am putting arrow mark downwards. So opposite to purchase is to cash. So after recording this, again you should check the balance journal entries. Any purchases are there. So if you see you don't find any purchases, so we will balancing. We will do the balancing. So this is the greater side. We'll put the same amount on the opposite side, which is called lesser side. This is called lesser side because nothing is there here. So lesser side, what we will take? We will take balance carried down. On which date? Month ending date. On which date? Month ending date. Which month we are doing regarding February? So we will take February 28. What you should take? Balance carried down. So we are putting on credit side. So already in the beginning of the problem I told, debit side will start with the 2, credit side will start with by. So I will write by balance carry down. How much? Same amount. Whatever amount is on the debit side, that will be taken for credit side also. And this lesser side amount will be transferred to next month. After February, according to English calendar year, what is the next month? Next month is March. So we will take on to the greater side. So this is the greater side, and the greater side, what you should write? You should write balance brought down, and you should take next month starting date. So after February, next month starting date is March 1st. You will take 2 balance brought down. That is 5,000. So, dear students, we have completed successfully purchase account, and you can find tick mark on purchase, cash, again cash also. Here on sales, you don't find any tick mark. So, we'll prepare sales account. So, sales account is on the credit side. So, I'll take 10,000 on the credit side amount column. And date February 10. And the particulars will be opposite to sales. What is opposite to sales? Cash. So I'll put arrow upwards. That means buy cash. I'll put upwards buy cash account. And after that, again you should check any sales are there. Here you don't find any sales, here also, here also. So, we'll balance this account. You should put the total column on the same line. So, this is the greater side. We'll put the total amount 10,000. And this is lesser side. Lesser side, what you should do, you should take balance carry down and net. You should take month ending date. So what is this month? This month is February. So we'll take February 28. And this is the lesser side, nothing is there. So the greater side amount will be transferred to lesser side to balance this particular ledger. And what you will take on the lesser side? Balance carried down. So you will take 2 balance carried down. So after that, this month ending, whatever balance carried down is there, that will be taken to next month starting date. So that is the greater side. So this is the greater side. Next month starting date, you should take balance brought down. So we are putting on the credit side means we will take by balance brought down. And the date will be, you should take next month starting date, that is March 1st. find in February 15, you have tick mark on cash, on bank also. So if you see 25th, you don't find any tick on interest. So that means we will do interest account. This is debit side and this is credit side. So I'll put a tick mark on debit item, that is interest. So it is on debit side, I'll take amount on debit side. And the date will be February 25th. And the particulars to interest is opposite item, that is to cash. I am putting arrow downwards, to cash. After posting that interest, you should check other entries from top to bottom. I'll see all the items have tick marks. So nothing is there, interest only one item. So we will balance it. We'll close this account and we'll balance this ledger account. So this is the greater side. So I'll put that amount first. And the same amount will be transferred to the lesser side also, because on the opposite side nothing is there. So same amount should be transferred. So this is the lesser side. What you will take for lesser side? You will take balance carry down. So on month ending date Feb 28, you will take, because this is credit side, I will write buy balance carry down. And this is the greater side. So this month ending balance carry down amount will be transferred to next month starting date, that is according to English calendar year. After February, it will come as March 1st. So this is greater side. Greater side you should take next month starting date, that is March 1st. What you will take? You will take balance brought down. To balance brought down. And after that, here cash is also over. In the last journal entry, we have only one item left out, that is the debit item, salary. So after completing salary, this particular exercise number 9 journal entries will be transformed into ledger accounts. So I will do the last ledger, salary account. So salary is on the debit side. I put a tick mark over here and I take 8,000 on debit side. And the date is February 28. And we will record particulars. Whatever opposite to the salary account is taken as particulars. Whatever is opposite to salary account is taken as particulars, that is to cash. So with this we have posted all things, and now I close this account. This is the greater side. Nothing is there on the credit side. Nothing is there on the credit side. That means this is called lesser side. So same amount should be transferred to lesser side also for balancing the ledger of salary. And lesser side, what you will take? You will take balance carry down. When you should take month ending date. So it is February month, February 28. You will take balance carry down. My balance brought down. And this is greater side. What you should take? you should take balance brought down on which day you should take next month starting date. So after February, according to English calendar year, it will be March. So I take on March 1st. What you will take? Balance brought down. Balance brought down means here debit side means we take 2. Credit side means buy will come. Debit side 2 will come. 2 balance brought down. Sorry. Here it is carried down. Here it is by balance carried down, and this will be transferred to next month starting date, 2 balance brought down. Sorry for this mistake, dear students, don't mind. It is by balance carried down. So, dear students, this is the end of the problem number 9 according to Telugu Academy textbook. He has asked both the things in the question, problem number 9, to journalize the following transactions. That means to make journal entries as well as to prepare ledger accounts also. So in the previous videos I have done this journal entries. Now today I have done the ledger accounts. So if you like my video, kindly share with your friends who are studying in the same subject, same college or different colleges, and do not forget to subscribe for me and share your comments on my Gmail. Thank you.